All right. There's something that I never found on the internet last night when we were looking, and I figured since no one else has posted it, I'll post it. So somebody needs to know how to do this in the future in case they're searching the internet. Now, this is the M240 machine gun, and you have your blank adapter. And when you get issued your blank adapter, you get issued this thing too. Now, what this thing is for is because blanks are not the same length as a live bullet. And so what will happen is the weapon is made to fire live rounds. It's not made to fire blanks. And so because of that, it won't function right. Now, what you got to do is you got to put this thing in there. Now, here's the problem. If you Google how to put this thing in there, nobody knows. And all of you gee whiz guys who've been doing this for years, when you first started, you probably didn't know how to do this either, so don't give me no crap. All right, first off, lock the bolt to the rear. Now, secondly, how this thing fits on there, if you look on there, it says left feed, and over here it says right feed. Now, almost every single M240 will do a left feed, so you gotta go with the left feed. Now, check it out. Also, you have this cord, and the reason you have the cord is because this thing does not snap into place. That was one of the things that was stumping us. We were thinking it was gonna snap into place, and it would be, it wouldn't fall out. But no, every time you open the feed tray, it'll probably fall out. Now, that end snaps onto the barrel, as you can see right there, that clip. Now this piece, the curved area right here, that will go right here. So if you have left feed, such as this, you put the curved area there, and you click it in. It's that simple. Now, we had like a half a dozen old SF guys all looking at this last night, trying to figure out how exactly does that thing fit in there? And we had to Google, we found old PMs and stuff. We couldn't find anything that told us how it clicked in there. I know it sounds simple, but if you've never seen it before, it kind of amazed us. But anyway, that's it. That's all it is. It just clicks right in. Now, it doesn't stay there. You open up the feed tray, it'll probably fall right out again, but it's there. Now, if I was the people that made this, I would put a industrial magnet to the left and right there so it stayed in place. But hey, I'm not the guy that makes these. And then after that, it's pretty simple. You just put the bullets in and you're good to go. And it will feed like normal. You have to excuse me, I'm doing this with an iPhone. And so I don't have anybody to hold the camera while I snap this in place. All right, how's that? There we go. Yep, get in there, bitch. All right. And there you go. Ta-da, it's ready to fire. And that is all.